Hi, this is John Trump with Proactive Fire Protection Inc. Today we're going to be doing a monthly and annual inspection on a fire hose cabinet with the fire extinguisher. What we're going to do here is that we're going to double check to see that the 2.5 inch or the 65 millimeter hose valve is currently working. And we also want to check in terms of making sure that it has adequate pressure. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the cap. We're going to look inside and see that there's no obstruction, making sure that the seal is in place for the cap. And then what we're gonna do is put in a cap so that we can be able to do multiple things here, that we can actually operate the valve, making sure that it actually opens and closes fully, and that water is gonna be coming through, and we're gonna double check the pressure. So we're gonna open it up. All right, open up fully. And then we're gonna double check the pressure here, and it shows that it is 90 PSI, which is fantastic for a fire hose cabinet. And then I'm just gonna quickly open up the relief valve, make sure that water is actually inside where the valve is. And then we're gonna close it, making sure that the valve is gonna be able to fully close and shut. It won't allow any water to release. So we've now drained it. Excellent. And then we're gonna remove the cap. So I'm gonna try to capture all of the excess water in our little bucket here so that doesn't make too much of a mess within the cabinet itself. So at least this way now I've tested the 2.5 or the 65 millimeter valve, making sure that it is able to fully open and close. And now we've shut it and it is able to close and prevent all of the water from coming out. And then taking the cap, putting it back in place, so that it's ready for the fire department to operate in the event of a fire emergency. So if you have any further questions with regarding to any fire safety or life safety products or services, please contact us at 416-305-6116 or visit us at our website at www.proactivefireprotection.ca. Thank you and have yourself a fire safe day.